Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can restart your FreshBooks account all over, so let's get started. If you want a fresh start in FreshBooks, you'll need to remove your existing data manually. FreshBooks does not offer a one-click reset option. Start by opening the section that contains the records you want to remove, such as invoices, expenses, payments, projects, or clients. Select the records using the checkboxes, choose Bulk Actions, and click Delete. For expenses, you can also select multiple entries and delete them in bulk to speed up the process. If you want a complete restart, click your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Billing and Upgrade. From there, you can choose to cancel your account. After cancellation, you can create a new FreshBooks account and start with a clean slate. Keep in mind that deleted records cannot be recovered, so it's a good idea to review your data carefully before removing it. That's how you can restart FreshBooks, either by deleting existing records or by creating a brand new account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.